This is Michael from IBM. Mobile is in for a very interesting year. If you look at the numbers, it seems like app growth and app usage is as high as it's ever been. There are more apps now available in the respective app stores, like the iOS App Store and the Google Play Store, than there ever have been. Millions upon millions of apps are now available for customers to use. But that doesn't tell the whole story. Customer behavior is changing. Rather than the old days where a customer might download up to 10 new apps a month, today customers are downloading closer to 0 apps a month. Instead, customers are shifting to the use of core apps. A core app is an application that they use multiple times in great volume throughout the day. Those apps are chat apps, or browsers, or social media apps that serve various functions. In response, apps are breaking out of their icons. They are taking capabilities that once existed exclusively within their own app and now making them available across other apps. A few examples of this are OpenTable, Venmo, and PayPal. A few of these capabilities are now available within various apps. So you'll probably notice them in, of course, browsers, but you'll also see them in other things like iMessage apps or WeChat apps, or available within the capabilities of a social media app that you use. We see this trend as not only continuing, but we think it will actually usher in a new era of mobile development and customer engagement. The places in which we can reach our customers are growing, not shrinking. So, how do you take advantage of this shift? First, think about where your users spend their time. Is it a chat app? Is it a social media app? Is it a browser? Or is it something completely different? Think about where your customers spend a lot of their time and consider how you might take the capabilities of your app and put them in those places. If you decide that one of those places is a messaging app, think about use cases that might exist between your customer and a peer, things like payments or sending gifts. For chatbots or AI assistants, think about a cumbersome task that currently exists within your app. If you're a retailer, for example, think about checking the status of a shipment of an order. Rather than having to go into your app, signing into the app, going to your accounts page, drilling down into your order status, tapping on the order that you're thinking of, and seeing the actual shipping status. Maybe it can be as simple as messaging a bot that says, "What's the status of my order?" and then it replies with that. These are examples of taking a cumbersome task, something that's maybe a few steps to do, and taking advantage of the new capabilities of the new technology and applying it to your use case. For maps, decide if your customers find your locations through Maps applications like Google Maps or Apple Maps or Waze. Think about ways that a customer can take advantage of your business or service through the actual map app itself. So if you're a hotel, for example, and you want to be able to have a customer access your service through the app, a valuable addition to a Maps app might be the ability to book a room right from within that Maps app, or to reserve a table at your restaurant. The brands that will be a part of this future are going to be the ones that think about their apps as more than just icons or environments where capabilities can exist, but actually consider them utilities that can be applied to every part of the customer's day. Thanks.